how to print Hello World in Java, Java 25 has actually made this a much simpler and shorter program to write. I have a video on how to install Java 25 that I'll link to down below if you don't already have it. Most of these differences from the old way of printing Hello World are thanks to compact source files introduced in Java 25. First, no need to wrap any of this in a class, since all we're doing is printing Hello World. Next, main doesn't have to be public static void main string array args. It can simply be void main. The last part is not a part of the compact source files features. It's simply a quality of life improvement. Instead of system.out.println hello world, we can simply say io.println hello world. Now if we compile and run the code, you'll see it works fine with no angry error messages. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.